How to create Vyro account. First, open the Chrome app. Then, tap the search bar, type Vyro, and search for it. Open the first website in the search results. After that, accept the permission prompt and tap Sign In. Next, enter any email address you want to use to create your Vyro account. Then tap Continue. A verification code will be sent to that email address. Open your Gmail app. Open the newly received email and copy the verification code. I'll copy the code. Now, go back to the same browser tab and enter the verification code. You'll be automatically taken to the next page. On the next screen, enter your date of birth, including the day, month, and year. Then tap Continue. Finally, confirm your age to proceed. Here you'll see two options: I'm a business and I'm a creator. If you're creating content for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, select I'm a creator. Since I create YouTube videos, I'll choose I'm a creator. Now, it's time to create your profile. Enter your first name in the first field. The last name field is optional, so you can fill it in or leave it blank. Next, choose a unique username for your account. If you want, you can also upload a profile picture by tapping Upload Picture. This step is optional, so you can skip it if you prefer. Once you've filled in the required details, tap Continue. Now, you need to provide some information about yourself. This information helps Vyro match you with the most suitable campaigns. First, select your location. Choose your country from the list. Next, select the languages you post in. Choose the languages you use for creating your content. After selecting your location and language, tap Continue to move to the next step. Now, you can connect your social media accounts with Vyro. Linking your accounts helps Vyro import your stats, improve your profile visibility, and include you in more campaigns. You can connect platforms like Instagram, TikTok, X, Twitter, and YouTube by tapping the ++ icon next to each option. If you don't want to connect any account right now, you can skip this step by tapping Skip for now. On the home screen, you'll see your account statistics, such as the number of profiles, posts, followers, total views, and average views. Since this is a new account, all the stats are currently 0. As you start posting clips and connect your social media accounts, your statistics will begin to update automatically. That's it. This is how you can create a Vyro account successfully. We hope this guide helped you. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more helpful tech content.